Hello, this is Harnish here from Meru Accounting. Are you looking for any bookkeeper for your real estate business? Whether it's flipping business, property management business, or a construction industry. We are here to help you and have got an immense experience working with your business industry. We have been providing complete bookkeeping, accounting, and tax return services for your type of business. We are based in India and we provide end to end solutions. We have an associated US based licensed CPA to take care of all your tax return filing needs. We provide complete setup of bookkeeping on QuickBooks. We do payroll management and processing through all the softwares. It's whether Gusto, Intuit Payroll, ADP, or any such software. We design a good chart of accounts based upon your business requirements. We would be giving you end to end profitability analysis for each and every property if it's your property management business. If it's a construction industry, we will be giving you a complete profitability for each of your construction project. Even if you are having multiple LLCs and would like to track intercompany ledger accounts, we would be giving you monthly reconciliation of your intercompany loan accounts as well. We help business owners in completing backlog accounting in a very fast possible manner. We have got a huge team, so we can dedicate at least two people to complete your backlog books of accounts, and we'll make sure that it gets completed into 1 or 2 weeks. We are the top level partners with QuickBooks, and we work on various other softwares like Xero, Odoo, Waveapp, Sasu, Zoho, NetSuite, or any other software of your choice. We are the gold champion partner with Xero. We use industry specific softwares like Yardi, TurboTenant, Buildium, and various other payables processing add-ons like HubDoc, Bill.com, AutoEntry, Data Molino, and many others. We have been doing like project accounting, job costing, and many other analytical reports for your industry. Basically, our work methodology is also very simple. We are storing each and everything in our cloud storage. We are okay to use any of the cloud storage which you are using, maybe it's Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or any other software of your choice. Once the information is received from your side, we'll be processing that on regular basis. If the volume and quantum is more, we can even process that on daily basis. We would be giving you daily work updates and a monthly management report. Our senior accountant and a reviewer would be discussing the financials with you on month basis. We can give you quarterly tax estimates as per the laws of IRS so that you can avoid interest on late tax payments. At the end of a year, we will help you out in preparing tax return for you and would be filed by a licensed tax return preparer. In case if you have your own accountant to file a tax return, we are okay to liaise with them and get your tax return filed on time. We would be responsible for solving all the queries whatever they have at the end of a year. You will get a regular work update from our team at a periodic interval which would be discussed in an onboarding call. We use a very systematic way of working. We manage all our tasks through our project management system. We would be understanding your business requirements about your business structure, whether it's LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or it's under individual name. Once the business is understood, we will be creating recurring tasks like what needs to be done and when it needs to be done. Our system itself would be reminding us about all the recurring tasks, whether it's monthly, weekly, daily, quarterly, or yearly. We have got a checklist for each and every task. There are a lot of benefits of outsourcing to us. Basically, we help business owners to complete their bookkeeping and tax return needs at a very uh, affordable price. Basically, our bookkeeping packages for real estate based business just starts at $95 per month. As discussed earlier, we are the top level partners with QuickBooks and Zero certified advisor, as well as a gold champion partner with Zero. We would be designing a customized chart of accounts for your business and will provide you and all the advices in order to reduce your tax liabilities. We would be claiming maximum available deductions within the standpoint of IRS laws. We can help you in budgeting and forecasting as well. We can use various good add-ons. Otherwise, we can prepare budgeting and forecasting sheet in an Excel as well. We can help you to implement profit first concept. Basically, we have got a great data security infrastructure. We have got professional indemnity insurance. We also sign a non-disclosure agreement with our employees. Like all our accounting softwares are having dual step authentications. Also, the person who would be working on your file would be having a limited access to each and every client folders. We would be we have a firewall implementation in place. We use Sophos firewall. That's one of the top 10 best firewalls amongst the whole world. We use endpoint security systems to ensure that none of the external drives can be used in our computer nodes. Entire network is protected through CCTV cameras as well. You can check our reviews on Trustpilot. Like we are rated 4.6, 4.7 out of more than 80 plus reviews from the clients across the globe. We are rated 5 out of 5 on Crunch, and we can also provide you references for others for your our background check. We have got a great systems to review the financials. We have got a detailed level checklist. What we do is we implement, we create a know-how from by working with each and every entity, and that know-how is utilized all across the organizations for each and every business owners. That ensures that you get a benefit of great know-how as far as bookkeeping, accounting, and tax return is concerned. For every business, we have got a two people accounting team, which includes one senior accountant and one reviewer. Reviewer also acts as a backup person whenever a senior accounts officer is not available. We won't give you any excuses once you sign up with us. We would be delivering you seamless services. Basically, there will be one more project coordinator which ensures that all the tasks are completed by the accountant on time, whether the client is getting the services as per their requirements and as per their expectations or not. We would be also keep a close eye on financials and provide a CFO level services in case your business needs it. In case if you are looking forward to discuss and explore more about our services, I would request you to schedule a call from a link given below. Me or my partner, Mr. Rushav, would get in touch with you and will give you a quote on a call itself. We are over here to provide a great experience as far as bookkeeping is concerned as and tax return is concerned, so that you can concentrate more on your business operations and can grow your business. Thank you.